Harbor Compliance LLC Formation Service Full Review Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Harbor Compliance and related resources are available in the video description below. Harbor Compliance is a premium LLC formation and compliance service built for entrepreneurs, non-profits, and established businesses that need expert guidance, hands-on support, and long-term compliance management. Unlike most low-cost DIY-style platforms, Harbor Compliance is tailored to users who prefer a white-glove experience and want to ensure their LLC is formed and maintained correctly from day one. Every client is assigned a dedicated compliance specialist who guides them through the entire formation process, something most competitors simply don't offer. Their formation packages start at $399 plus state fees and include business name availability check, articles of organization preparation and filing, operating agreement templates, EIN acquisition, and a full year of registered agent service. But where Harbor Compliance really shines is in its ongoing compliance services, such as annual report filing, license management, and entity monitoring, all powered through a robust, intuitive compliance platform. This service is ideal for busy entrepreneurs, highly regulated industries, or anyone forming an LLC across multiple states who can't afford costly filing mistakes or missed deadlines. Harbor Compliance helps you stay fully compliant with federal, state, and local requirements without the hassle. Their dashboard centralizes your documentation and deadlines in one place, making it easy to manage even complex multi-entity operations. Strengths include highly personalized support through a dedicated specialist, a comprehensive approach to compliance, and a platform designed for long-term entity management. It's particularly useful for users who value time-saving, accuracy, and peace of mind over bargain pricing. However, weaknesses include the higher upfront cost compared to more basic formation services, and it may be overkill for someone just forming a single LLC for a side hustle or simple business. In conclusion, Harbor Compliance is a top-tier solution for those who want more than just filing paperwork. They want a strategic partner for the life of their business. If you're serious about getting your LLC formed correctly and staying compliant without constant stress, Harbor Compliance is a smart investment.